with walnut, wood apple, ginger basil. To gently exfoliate and add soothing, nutritive properties to help your skin feel younger and brighter. Ideal for all skin types. Exfoliating regularly is a key to deep cleaning and removing debris. This gentle face scrub renews your skin and reveals a soft, healthy-looking glow. DERMATOLOGICALLY tested. Enjoy the sensory pleasure of a rich, daily exfoliant that is mild, comfortable and non-drying on your skin. Free from common concerns. No parabens, sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS, phthalate, petroleum, silicones, artificial fragrances or artificial colors, yet there is no compromise on sensory pleasure. Cruelty-free. We care about our furry friends. That's why we never test our personal care products on animals. During the summer months, products may arrive warm, but Amazon stores and ships products in accordance with manufacturers' recommendations when provided. Top reviews from the United States. A must-have for me. Delicate scent, leaves skin smooth, use in shower. Love the delicate scent it has. The granules work beautifully to make my skin feel smoother. You don't need much to use all over your face and décolleté. One thing, must use in the shower. Almost impossible to rinse all of it off using a sink, shower spray so much better. My daughter visited me and used it and now she bought some too.